Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve this nice algebra question for the value of x. First of all, we take it 5x is equal to 30 as we have to find the value of x. First of all, we take log on both sides and we write it as log 5x is equal to log 30. As we know that the property of log is log, that we write here log m p is equals to p log m. So we write this equation as x log 5 is equal to log 30 as now we divide both sides by 5 as x log 5 over log 5 and log 30 over log 5. Now log 5 and log 5 cancels each other and here only remains x is equals to log 30 over log 5. To log 30 we can write it as 5 into 6 as we know that 30 is equals to 5 into 6. So we write log 30 as 5 and 6. Log 5 6 over log 5. As we know that log property of log as log a b is equals to log a plus log b. So to the above form we can write it as log 5 plus log 6 over log 5. To these both terms we can write it as x is equals to log 5 over 5, log 5 over log 5 plus log 6 over log 5. So these both terms cancels and here remains 1 plus log 6 over log 5. To 6 we can write it as 2 into 3. So we write it as 1 plus log into 2 into 3 over log 5. Now again we apply here the property of log as log 2 plus log 3 over log 5. By separating these terms, we obtain here 1 plus log 2 over 5, log 2 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. Now we know that the property of log is log A over log B is equals to log AB. So applying this property as x is equals to 1 plus log 25 plus log 35. So this is the value of x that we obtain here, and now we put this value in the given form. 5x is equals to 30, and we put it as 5. X is equal to 5 and the value of x as 1 plus log 25 plus log 35. And we know that a raised bar m plus n is equals to a m and a n, and we apply it here as x is equals to 5 dot 5 log 25 and log we are putting this value in the 5x and 30, so we write it as is equals to 30, and 5 log 35 is equals to 30 because this is the value of x in the 5x. And the property of log is a log BA is equals to B, and 5, and here our B is 2 and here our B is 3. So we put it as 2 into 3 is equals to 30. So it becomes 5 2s are 10 and 10 3s are 30. 30 is equals to 30. So this would be our given solutions. Thanks for watching video, and please like, share and subscribe to channel.